Money feels easier than ever today. No wallet stuffed with bills, no jingling coins. You pick your item, tap your phone, and boom, done. But even though the tech changed, we're still stuck with the same ancient obsession. We can't live without money. Now imagine life 7,000 to 8,000 years ago. No cash, no cards. You've got cattle and meat, but no hoe to farm. Your neighbor has one, but he doesn't need beef. He needs grain. So you wander around until you find someone with grain. That's barter. And soon people realized, some goods are more valuable than others. Welcome to the birth of commodity money. In ancient China, silk was currency. In Rome, soldiers sometimes got paid in salt, salarium, from the Latin sal. That's where the English word salary comes from. Pretty wild, right? Then metals took over. Gold and silver were rare, durable, and shiny enough to become universal money. First as ingots, then as coins. The very first coins popped up in Lydia in the 7th century BCE. In Russia, silver bars called grivna weighed 400 grams. Too heavy? People chopped them in half. Those halves became rubles. Medieval trade made things messy. Merchants lugged chests of gold across land and sea, perfect targets for robbers. The fix? Paper receipts. In 13th century China, authorities swapped metal for documents worth a set amount. In Europe, Italy's traders did the same. Bankers set up shop at green-covered tables, banco, and the word bank was born. By 1663, Sweden printed the first paper money. Later came checks, then checkbooks. Fast forward to 1950, the Diners Club card launched in the US. At first, only a few stores accepted it, but people loved the convenience. By the late 20th century, IT exploded and money went digital. Today, cash is rare. Cards live inside our phones. Virtual cards don't even need a physical copy. You apply online, get it instantly, and never lose it. Kids figured it out too. No more begging for cash or stealing mom's card. Money is always just a tap away. And now, the latest chapter, cryptocurrency. Bitcoin showed up in 2009, promising a world without banks, just math, code, and a decentralized ledger called blockchain. Suddenly, money wasn't just physical or even digital in a bank. It was peer-to-peer, verified by thousands of computers worldwide. Since then, Ethereum, stablecoins, and NFTs have turned finance into something closer to sci-fi. Some see crypto as the future of money, others as digital gold, and skeptics call it a bubble. But whether you're buying pizza with Bitcoin, yes, that happened in 2010, or trading tokens on an app, crypto is now part of the money story. From barter and salt to coins, paper, plastic, and blockchain, money keeps reinventing itself. And every step changes how we live, trade, and even trust each other. And that's baby science for you.